Hi, so this is a Shay Petrol Lawnmower windshield. It has a VILLIERS engine on it. It's 4 in hand. So how do they work? It's gone 9 o'clock, so I can't start it. You tip it, make it laugh there. This is choke up there, and down is off choke. So put it there and start it. Turn the tap on, of course. This is the clutch to make the blade go around. So the blade will run now. When you take off, the blade will stop. This is the dog clutch on the other end. So you put the roller in to drive, into gear. Then it's self-propelled. To set the blades is these screws here. To set these up, heavy mower, put another exhaust on, as an old baby, old can before. So we put the proper exhaust for the fumes to go out that way. Very basic. I will start it up when it's not late in the day. Anyway, thanks for watching. Nice little vintage lawnmower, 14 inch. Bye. Thanks for watching.